In this video, we're going to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
If you go to Tools, and then under Setup, you will say, go to Linked Accounts. You will find Google Analytics right here. And you'll find the website that you're linking. For me, it's that one. Link. Yep. And save. There you go. Perfect. So now your website is linked. If you do not have a Google Analytics account, you can set one up by going to google.com/analytics. This is what it looks like. You can sign into Analytics if you already have any kind of a Google account, because you actually do have a Google account because you're using the ads. You can sign into Google Analytics with the same email and then add your website. Once you add your website, then if you didn't have a website to connect, then you will be able to connect your website. And then it's going to give you data for how your ads are performing, on which pages, things like this. In all cases, it's good to add Google Analytics to your website. But in our case, we just added Google Ads to Analytics. This is my Google Analytics, for example, and you see under Acquisition, you have this Google Ads tab, and obviously we just connected it, so I'm not going to have anything here. But after some data is collected over time, you'll be able to see data about how these people came to your site, how they behaved on your site, and you'll be able to get a lot of metrics about the engagement and how people are using your site after they come from the ads.